When you are launching a startup, you want to spend your time building the product, not wrestling with deployment. That is why managed hosting platforms like Render and Vercel have become favorites for developers who want fast, reliable, and simple ways to get their apps online. Both make deployment easy, but they approach it in slightly different ways. Let's break down how they compare and which one might be the easiest choice for your startup. Render focuses on giving you a complete cloud platform that covers almost everything your app might need. You can deploy web services, background workers, databases, and static sites all from one place. It feels like a modern alternative to Heroku. Same simplicity, but faster and more affordable. You connect your GitHub repository, Render automatically builds and deploys your app, and updates go live every time you push new code. It handles SSL certificates, scaling, and monitoring for you. What makes Render stand out is its balance of ease and flexibility. You can start small with a free tier and scale up when traffic grows. It supports multiple frameworks and languages, including Node, Python, Go, and Ruby, as well as static front-end sites. There is also built-in support for background jobs and cron tasks, which means you can run scheduled or asynchronous work without setting up a separate service. For startups that need an all-in-one environment without piecing together multiple tools, Render feels complete right from the start. Now, Vercel takes a slightly different approach. It is known for being incredibly fast and smooth for front-end deployment, especially with frameworks like Next.js. You push your code and your site is instantly deployed across a global edge network. That means pages load almost instantly for users no matter where they are. Vercel also has great integration with GitHub and GitLab, and it automatically builds preview environments for every pull request. This is perfect for teams that want to test changes before pushing them live. Vercel shines when it comes to static and serverless applications. You can run backend functions through their serverless model without managing infrastructure, and the performance is top tier because of its global CDN. It is ideal if your startup is building a modern web app, marketing site, or SaaS platform where front-end speed and scalability matter most. So, which is easier? For pure speed and simplicity, Vercel is the smoother experience. It's almost effortless to deploy and share changes instantly. But if your startup needs full-stack support, databases, background jobs, and web services, Render is the better all-around platform. You get more flexibility without sacrificing ease of use. In short, Vercel is perfect for teams that want to move fast with front-end apps. Render is ideal for startups that need an all-in-one cloud without managing infrastructure. Either way, both platforms make modern deployment so much easier that you can focus on what really matters, building something your users love.